Our Ti-Lite folders are available in either 4-inch or 6-inch long blade and a Zytel or forged aluminum handle. Each features AUS 8A stainless steel honed to a razor's edge and a needle-sharp yet sturdy point. Each can be opened faster than a switchblade by snagging a quillion located at the base of each blade on the edge of a sturdy pocket. Light, comfortable, concealable, and above all, highly effective, they make a formidable opponent in any situation.
Now that's what I call a tactical folder. A lot of people put tiger stripes on their blades and all kinds of bells and whistles that don't mean anything. They're just cosmetics. A tactical folder can be judged by its penetration and its cutting power, its usefulness as a weapon and a tool. Look at this, right through that AK-47 magazine. That point is still needle sharp. If you're going into battle, I'd get a Ti-Lite if I was you.